Hi there, and welcome to Skartio. Today, we're going to learn how to define collections on your e-commerce website. Collections let you group related products into seasonal, promotional, or themed sets, like a summer collection, winter collection, or festive offers. They help customers easily discover curated product groups and shop based on their interests or the time of year. To get started, open the Catalogue main menu, then go to the Product submenu. In the sidebar, click on the Collections tab. This opens the Collections section. Now let's walk through how to create a new collection. Click the Add Collection button to open the Add New Collection form. Enter the collection name, for example, Summer Collection. Next, add a unique alias and write a short description explaining what the collection includes. Once everything is filled out, click Add. That's it. Your new collection is now live on the platform. Collections are a great way to promote product ranges, highlight seasonal trends, and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.